Taylor, Luna. Violent household, isn't it? Little dogs don't want to think of you. Get her. That's right. So you're picking on my mama. What about you? Hey, big girl. Chase the big dog. And back again. Whoa, I'm not fast enough. Whoop. Wipe out. She comes again. Hey, baby girl. What, you want back in? Do you, sweetie? Well, this isn't very exciting. Puppy! Pup, pup, pup. Puppy. Cutie. Okay, I'll let you back in.